Right now, I have money.
Me believe you, but me no want none. No, man, me good.
Good looking, no blood clot. Well, me love someone who come there. Hello.
Yeah.
Man, I say something. Good
No.
looking, no blood clot. You pretty so girl.
No, me not give you none.
Sure, man, I do me that. You're good looking, no blood.
I believe you. Me believe it. Trust me. No.
I know me something.
Me believe you, but me alright.
Tell me something, man.
No. Yeah.
One look, me can't
No. Me not get nobody none.
So your boyfriend?
Me no want no boyfriend right now.
So you not crack you?
Huh?
You not crack you?
Me no want nothing right now. Me no want none. Trust me, me no want none. Me no matter. Me no want none. No, man. You have to go find something else. Me no know nobody will sell.
Me show you money you don't believe. I too much go there. Me take out the money for you. Right now, me in my pocket. You know what? I didn't rob me already. Right now, I suck my tongue. Hello. Come on, I'll sell me some money.
Me not sell you none. Come, give me some room.
Time I get licked. Freeze all and shoot, bite them. Hey, I will leave for something going on.
They say no in there, pony.
I beat the girl and the girl have to give out sound. And I come. You hear me? Me say, me not hear nothing.
You hear him, man?
Like, me not watch him.
They never hear him.
Hear me, right?
The man say, my pound that they hear that ball. Man say out there talk about say my beat up here and I pound him a pound that. Pound that.
And the two them big and do all kind of shit. Not time for them shut down girl box. Girl say go in on the phone. Load box.
The man say have you in there pound and I say come daddy come and you know come round the compound.
Why make you when just come in never say come daddy?
You're not going in second, funny.
No, first.
So what got me if you go in second?
First?
Second.
No, Sam, I'm not going in second. First.
How many let me just see. You know, give me. Me open door and me just come, brother. You know, see me?
Here's your bite of Philip food.
You just bite the this morning, brother. How many bite in the here?
Say bite of clean.
Yes.
No pussy class.
That's you. Alright, now the boys don't look pretty.
Police still look for you?
Jesus
Christ.
Now you tell them me a trouble again.
No, you put yourself in a trouble again.
Again.
Jesus Christ.
Let me not tell you now. You not tell me. I have to bite him out, so we bite him, brother.
You bleed like a hog.
Oh, I need the hospital.
The hospital said it.
I do not take that pop. It's a few days after, you see that limb come before you. You because you're young, you're cool enough pop. You think I do me a show you? But you lie down and pray down and you want you to fuck.
Yeah.
And you never fuck.
Yeah.
All years you remember that blood clot.
Yeah.
You're young, you're wrong. Your daddy can't go no nothing.
I never see her wrong, you know.
Take the next month,
I
mad.
never see. Who don't make the mark, man? I wonder you read up chest so good.
When you're young, you're fool. No opportunity to come to it. And you're too young and know what it is. You say you know when you know what it is? When you get a step up in that age.
Where you go? I tell you, say if it left oral, where you go with oral for like you're mad like oral?
Mommy, when you're done, you can give me something there?
What?
Water.
You mean in a road? In a road?
Watch out, see what I'm doing. Watch out, blood clots, what I'm doing. Watch out, pussy, what I'm doing.
And where the bumbo clot go there? And where... Uzi me warn you.
Warn your blood clot. You're dead, you're going to blood clot.
Just like blood clot come out of the yard.
Hey, look at the coconut on there.
The whole like coke of them.
Come show me them.
You're not funny. You're not fierce and no. You will chop me up in the yard. The fight come out of the
Who
yard.
said that?
Move your blood clots and go away. The yawa. Move your blood clots and go away. You know like a fool catch your blood clot. You know what kind of blood clot? That's when the baby born. When the baby born, you know got a blood clot. And my, hold on now. And my daddy priest. My uncle priest. And then wear the collar. I mean I know that blood clot called God. Just dumb and blast you and blood clot God. Hey. No, I hear nothing. And you have what? You have to look up under your woman. You have to look up under your woman. Dumb and blast you and the blood clot God. Of the blood clot to believe. I want to believe. Of the bomber clot to not believe. Them and blood and a blood clot, God. Because my daddy we had a blood clot. And I said, no one that is God.
See, I watch him start like that.
No back him man. No back him man, no turn up on me. Back him man, not be better than me. No back him man. No back him man.
Yo, how man you really want to fuck you, man? You drop in jaws all back and turn up all in back, he push it back, you know, if you ram him in the hit, you know. And that you want to feel tip cock. I run in a shawl, you know. You know, the day you don't joke, if you are playing, but you don't know about fuck, man. If you drive him up on him and start crub on him, you think, oh God, take time, Beanie. You don't kill me. You bar him now and can a crub on him till cock broke and wait up on him. And that in love, you know, the sweetness.
So, no more time that. Yeah. Take it out of the side. Do so. So. Yeah, it's no, so. Yeah. Take it out. Fetch up. Go. Take it off I want. Yeah, you know? Yeah. You can't get it on me. No, I can't. Look in the eye. I can't play my ball. I'll go I can't get it from boy. Ready? Look off, man. Hold your sock. Yeah. Come now, pussy. Look off, I want. I don't hold my wall. Go on. Look at my eye, good. Look at my eye. Look at my eye, good. Ready now? Go on. Pussy. Yeah.
One E-Bus doing
E-Bus,
business.
what is the motive today?
You know, somebody are going to easy though.
Yeah, easy. So why pray now?
Searching for some pee meat.
You search for pee meat?
Can't see none around.
I would blood clot. So what you going to do with pee meat?
Suck, eat meat, pee meat. Suck it.
You gonna suck it?
Yeah, from 12 till 4.
Blood clot. You gonna eat the meat then?
Yeah.
You gonna eat? Bumbo clot. So what you say again here now?
Alright. So 30,000 US with 4 hours. From 12 till 4 in the morning.
So it's a business you run?
It's a business. So
All
if
right.
you roll over, you know say money have to double.
Bumbo clot.
Yeah. Eat boss.
One
Live.
eat boss?
Yes. One eat boss.
Okay,
the
so.
number is 588-4728. Reach me now before time run out.
Bumbo clot.
Man out.
You're out?
What is under my nose?
Go for Godzilla and see one. Come on, make you a lap dance. Listen me.
Wine for you, make your wood stiff up, man.
Lap dance. Me see them with the G thing and hit the Gina them back to all that big. Ayot. Me observe, you know. Me not just running from people. Me observe.
See how the slap are in our thing? See how the slap are in our thing? So where you go up there for then, grandfather? You don't look for me?
I mean, mum go up there, mum must go look out the stay.
So you don't see nothing you like up there?
So I'm brown and but
Yeah.
she never done near me.
The one to pick up your frequency.
But the long maga one about can't make a lap dance. I want to move, stand up and go and go in.
You don't buy liquor? I 8 grand.
If me remove something and push in them and say I rape.
So you know just buy?
Buy? You have money, yes, but I'm not my type.
What kind of type is it?
One Eat Boss said he got fresh meat to eat tonight.
Right
so who is this again?
You know say eat boss they hand the life again. Heat boss they hand the run.
Bumbo clot.
You know say quick and fast people follow this live and check out where I go on. I'm early people meet I come check me later on. You know the thing going on. Although so me can't show it on the live. But you know so me go deal with it wicked. Make him bad for him mama and him daddy. But me done later on. You know so me just I go and eat man. We are from Hot Clarendon.
So you're gonna name something later?
You're gonna name something fresh later man. Fresh.
Bumbo clot. So where you bucket?
Clarendon.
Blood clot.
Straight from Clarendon. Phone call from the ear they said eat a boss there, they know so then check in, you see me? So all if they're not making now anyway, just call me. I will be there.
Bumbo clot.
Don't be late. Okay?
Boss, I'm buying something for Bella.
No. Bella, my daughter, I'm family of fuck my daughter.
I never tell her that, my father.
No, not about Bella. You're Bella for the Bella too.
But they're part of your team too.
Yeah, man. No. If you do construction, you do agriculture.
They're not telling you, man.
You can't materialize skyscraper. You buy a glass if you look.
Crab up, you don't want a glass again to look.
No, we look, man.
Jerry, where you do a toy?
I'm buying a
Jerry, I hear bicycle at my son.
Jerry, the glass broke, man. The glass
Which one broke?
Chop and broke. I run from police station.
Which one drop off? My
No,
glass,
not that. The looking glass, it look through.
Oh.
Broke. You know,
I'm only for them, you know. Can't give one.
Jerry, I hear bicycle at my son.
No.
How far?
American.
American bicycle?
Yeah.
Arabella bicycle, which one?
Everything Bella, blood like this. A man, and woman, man, you know.
Come, 3 bills.
A man, woman. Everybody Bella. Like me can't make money. A skeleton for materials, I'm a contractor and bill, you know. A contractor and bill, I'm no farming.
Yeah.
Tell me about this woman name and I minute like say. If she don't give me nothing, I'm going to dead for hungry.
No, dead for hungry. You're dead for hungry.
Bella. A man, a woman. Any man, but woman of mine, I suck her pussy. Remember me tell you that.
That's true, Steve. That's true. What's your boss wallet? Boss wallet thick. Thick like mudfish.
Then I call you from Zaza.
Bella husband, that, you know? See him there?
No husband, man. It's my stepdaughter and dapper. Look over this husband thing, man.
Them kind of way, yeah. Oh, look on the size of me I carry.
So you want it to do?
What you mean? What can look for myself?
That's enough right there. What you not go on, so you know. What you not good?
True, all right. Everybody goes to show what they want to say. until they find me guilty, your part of the escape where you can't work. If me can't do my work, me know you fire me. I don't want to get no because me a Jackie. Every time me coming for where you have sir?
What do you mean when me have son?
Me don't know where you have different for every other woman. I know
So you say you don't have ambition then? If I
no,
only
no,
me,
no, not
you don't
that.
have any ambition.
No, listen, I have ambition, but
So why only me and look much nice girls out there?
my body, because I don't make contact with nobody. But
So
come around you, me know body rest, me know good all.
You can't know good
I know that. Look here.
You don't know nothing about me.
I don't know what to know no more than you're a nice girl, your skin look clean, and under you clean as well. So I know you keep under you clean, all over you clean. And my body has sense. My body don't move unless. I'm a spiritual man, you know. You have it, girl. And you know you have it.
I have one nice browning up there, you know, in your house. In your house.
You're not a roll no so give a fuck now, man.
Look how long. And I'm my one you want.
Well, I just try to come here to fish up my room, because I like to get them in a fuck a mood one. Me a feeling.
But look how long you should there your yard.
Well, probably, you know.
Are you not go our room door?
No, more than
But
me.
tell her right.
What you do, burn up your hand?
No, me a come in but that's why I see me wrap that something over there. The half and staple took me.
I put it up pretty same way too. Like that.
Why you love talk about the pussy? You would look good. You would look good. You would look
More
good.
than, you can't show it right now. You can't stand by me just stick it out. I wouldn't even move. Look at it.
Me if you take out your wood.
Yeah, me like how about the rude them with the coming out back. Coming out run. Get out of the water and start with them. Because see right now it's swell. See? And it don't even swell. No, it don't swell yet.
It turn up and it's still it now show.
Yeah, it don't swell yet. You don't. Can't see it.
You have to go where you can't manage. And that's what you know.
Look here, in time I'm supposed to, you know, I wake up enough. No woman beat me, man. Woman give me credit. Look here, you have enough time, if I'm there chat, you know, I'm going to have night fucking mirror, you know.
Nightmare?
Yeah.
What kind of wet dream you have?
No, really.
Why nightmare?
I don't sit down and people me check for me.
And a nightmare?
No nightmare.
Wet dream.
I just did that to myself, I just a picture me.
Blood clot, the man said me make him have nightmare.
Yeah, my
That's
picture,
something
I know you're the one.
That's something ugly that's him have nightmare. Then a nightmare when you can't sleep.
Nightmare, no nightmare, no me not a nightmare, no you're alone, but like when me
wet dream. You wet up yourself?
No, neither.
So what?
Yeah, they talk.
So what you call it?
Listen to me now, them not talk to you. Yeah, they talk now, and we talk and see, when I go, me just imagine. And a picture of naked, me just put myself seeing a naked. Why now, what's up?
Them not naked now. Then I can't see no you see me. You say my skin pretty.
Yeah, but that's not what I want. Anytime I'm supposed to be awake. I sleep now. You want to wake up at night and get bright. It's like this.